What if Claude Code could read your files, browse GitHub, query your database, and run shell commands, all from a single conversation? That's exactly what MCP makes possible. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol, and it's the reason Claude Code can connect to almost anything. In this video, I'll show you how it works and how to set it up in under 10 minutes. What is MCP? The Model Context Protocol, an open standard that lets AI assistants talk to external tools and data sources. MCP is an open standard created by Anthropic that defines how AI models communicate with external tools and data. Think of it like USB, one universal plug that works with any device. Before MCP, every tool integration was custom-built. With MCP, any tool that speaks the protocol works instantly with any MCP-compatible model, including Claude Code. Here's how MCP works at runtime. Claude Code acts as the MCP client. When you ask it to do something, it sends a tool call over standard input-output to the MCP server. The server runs the actual operation, reading a file, querying a repo, whatever, and sends the result back. Claude then uses that result to continue the conversation. It's all automatic, you just ask. Setting up MCP is just a config file. Claude Code reads from claude_desktop_config.json in your config directory. You define each MCP server under the MCP server's key. Give it a name, a command to start it, and any arguments. Claude Code will auto-start these servers when it launches. Let me show you the exact file. The file system MCP server gives Claude Code direct read and write access to directories you specify. Install it with npx. No global install needed. Then just ask Claude to read a file or write changes. It can list directories, read any file, write content, even move files, all within the paths you've whitelisted in the config. The GitHub MCP server connects Claude Code directly to your repos. Set your GitHub token in the env block, and Claude can search issues, read pull requests, browse file trees, and even create issues, all without leaving the terminal. This is where it starts to feel like a real AI developer assistant. With the SQLite MCP server, Claude Code can query your local databases directly. Ask it to list tables, run select queries, even write insert or update statements. It's perfect for exploring data without writing a single line of SQL yourself. Just ask in plain English, and Claude handles the rest. Here's everything together. I have 3 MCP servers running: File System, GitHub, and SQLite. In a single Claude Code session, I ask it to read a local config file, cross-reference it with my GitHub repo's latest settings, check the database for any related records, and write a summary back to disk. Claude orchestrates all 3 tools automatically. This is the power of MCP. One conversation, infinite reach. That's MCP in 10 minutes. One config file, and Claude Code gains access to your entire dev environment. Drop a comment if you want a deep dive on any of these servers. Like and subscribe to AIFirewire for more AI dev tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.